Let me think. What else what else happened? I think there is some rumors, on Twitter.
Yeah,
on the
I wanted
Ukraine
to.
space talking about F-16 shooting
Yeah,
down a
that.
Su-34,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
cannot be verified.
I read about that. The F-16 taking down the Su-35, I think, or Su-34. Did you hear about it?
The F-16 shot down.
Yeah, I read that in Telegram channels, in Russian Telegram channels, but I don't know if you heard about it.
But are we talking about the drone, or are we talking about
No. There was like today or yesterday, they took down a Su-34, and they said it was like an F-16, a Su-34 that it was taking an attack, a glide bomb attack. I don't know if you heard about it.
Glide bomb attack.
So the rumors.
That's very surprising.
So the rumors on the pro-Russian side is saying that it's probably technical issues that crash. But all there is actually is fighter bomber. The Telegram channel posted the Su-34 image saying that something like the Earth is the sky or something. What funny way of saying. Yeah. Then after that, the pro-Ukrainian guys shot and said that. No, it's not verified. So then the Ukrainian side then took screenshot of that, and then with some other stuff, and then they say that it's an F-16 that shot down it. Then I on Twitter I'm trying to ask for a source. I asked for people. Anyone saw the source or anything that can verify this? No one saw anything. They're pointing back to fighter bomber, and that's it. And I checked fighter bombers Telegram channel. There is nothing about F-16s. They don't even talk about Su-34 getting shot down per se. They only have the screenshot, something like a eulogy.
Yeah, it was that one.
It's super weird. And I have also to add that fighter bomber is super unreliable. So they all, like the previous time they talk about radar plane getting shot down. It's like there's totally nothing to back that. So that's all we have for that. Of course, Su-34 dropping fat bombs are very far away from the front line. So the F-16 to engage it will have to fly very close to the front line, and then they will be exposed to Russian surface and missile system. So
that would be very surprising.
And also in the air defense system, the Ukrainian air defense system, there are big holes, because I don't know, the S-70, I think it was a drone. It was shot down, I think, in Konstantinivka, or it was shot down like in Ukrainian territory, I think. And like
most of the experts saying the drone was out of control, so they wanted to destroy it.
The Su-57, I saw the video.
If that was true, Alvaro, the Ukrainian propaganda would be all over the place.
Yeah, but did you see the drone, like the Su-57?
The boomerang one, right?
Yeah.
So that was they say that this boomerang, the trial drone. Yeah, the Russians are trialing. Something went wrong, and then they sent the escorting air-to-air fighter to shoot it down. And then after it shot down, it actually dropped into Ukrainian controlled territory. So that was that actually created a little bit of hoo-ha, but no.
But it was
because there are very interesting theories about it. Sorry, wait. There's very interesting theories about it. First of all, it's a prototype that started to work badly, so that's why they shot it down, in order not to be, or it was taken out of control by electronic warfare. And the other one is that it was intentionally done on that way to make the Ukrainians believe the electronics in that drone are the ones that will be in the real drone. But this is all bullshit.
Yeah, maybe.
So there is no official comments about it. So who cares?
Yeah, that's the.
In fact, I'm not even sure if that drone actually dropped inside Ukrainian controlled territory. I can't even tell. Actually, the reality is I can't even tell.
Yeah.
So and that passes very quickly. Like after one day, no one talks about it.
Yeah, but that was the drone that is operating in Kursk, No?
Kursk.
But why is it so difficult to say Kursk? I don't know.
Actually, in Spanish is Kursk.
What about I was wondering if Wyatt has any insight on, or other people have any insight on how significant it is the Russians started to bomb commercial shipping. You've seen that, and that was that. No, from my understanding, that was not happening, right? Like they weren't.
No,
this is new. Why do they do it? What are the repercussions of them doing it? How will it affect Ukraine?
I think that was.
They say that this shipping. They say that these ships were transporting ammunition, which could be true.
Right. Well, I'm sure they were, but they've probably been. They've probably been doing it for the longest time, and the Russians done it before. Like what?
Yeah. But that's what I was saying on the beginning of what I call the big deception working, is that the Russians are paranoid about supplies to Ukraine right now. Why not before, and why now? Because they really are afraid that something is getting inside of Ukraine, that it's completely out of it could be dangerous. And they are targeting ports and storage facilities all over the south, Odessa, more or less. And some people even have been saying, well, they can't be true that the Russians have so much information, so they're actually doing it in a kind of
shotgun approach.
Yeah, in that sense. So they are preoccupied with something that they know that is being supplied or is going to be supplied to Ukraine, and that's the reason. But we see as well, if you notice, is that the Ukrainian side, when the first time happened, they were very vocal about it. They are not saying anything now. They're not talking about it. They're not making a big deal of it. So it's kind of they're somehow guilty as charged, where we have to take into consideration. But shooting commercial ships is really a problem because the Ukrainians could start with the same. And that's very dangerous.
Clearly, nothing had happened yet. So the destruction of the ships at the Odessa port has happened for like at least a week now. There's still no repercussions. So yeah, it could be a case where the Ukrainians have nothing to shoot at the Russian commercial ship. That is also a possibility. Like there's no more surface drones because the surface drone production facilities and the storage has been destroyed multiple times. At least it was reportedly so. So even maybe the Ukrainians may also have troubles. I mean they have boats. They still have attack boats. They have a number of new ones they posted just recently. Then and it could. I think I'm not sure if. I actually don't know. If you destroy a boat in port, maybe it's not as bad as you destroy a boat or at sea. There might be a difference. Like, oh, so sorry. I was trying to hit the port, but I missed. Then I hit the boat. I'm so sorry. Like,
oops.
Oops. So I mean, it's a bit harder, to justify that. Oh, the Russians are terrorists. It's a bit harder, I guess.